Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy also comes in the true blue color. It's a little hard to see because it's kind of dark out here, but it looks very nice as well. You got the chrome up front and the tow hooks right there, and you also have the chrome accented front bumper there. You got your quad halogen headlamps right about there. And then over here you do have your tires. They're riding on a pair of 17-inch rims, and there is a lot of tread left on those guys. Look at those, and those rims look real cool. It does come with a 6-foot box, so let's open this guy up here. And it does have the bed liner on it, so you won't be scratching it up at all, and it'll keep it nice and safe there for you. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's jump on in. So we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and then you also have 2 presses to activate the remote start, which is very nice, especially in the winter. It'll keep it nice. It'll get it nice and warm. You don't have to go outside in your pajamas and get it all started up. You also got the panic button right up top here, and you do have the running boards along the bottom, which is really nice as well. Helps if you're short like I am. Now let's jump on in and take a look around. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, as well as you got a bit of storage down here and a little bit right here. Now over here, you do have your control over your lights. So you have your high beams, your low, you have your low beams, your daytime running lights, your off and your auto, as well as your in-cabin light control there. This guy here is for your windshield wipers as well as your high beam, and then this guy does control the tilt of the seat. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Listen to that engine. It sounds beautiful. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. You also got what gear we're in down there. And in the center there, you do have our speedometer, but you can change that from speedometer to your vehicle info. You got your fuel economy, you got your trip A and B, you have your messages, your screen set up, and you can turn the menu off if it is getting in your eyes or it is too bright. Now you also have your gear shift here, and then over here you do have all the controls for that middle guy there right here, as well as you got your voice recognition and your call out button, and then you also have a horn, and you have your cruise control options right there. This guy here does control your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, and your 2-wheel, as well as your neutral there. And then you also have your 5-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect. So you do have your radio, you have AM, FM, and you have your SiriusXM, and it does come with a year of SiriusXM when you do purchase the vehicle. You got your media tab here if you do have a phone or media device hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. And then you have your phone here if you do have one hooked up also through your Bluetooth. You got your compass here if you need to know which way you're going. You got your settings, and you got your more option, which is your clock there. And then you have your volume up and down, your mute, you got your screen off, your back button, and your browser there. And then down here in your climate control, you do have your hazard lights, the power up and down, you have the circulation, the heat and the AC, as well as the defrost, and you have where it's going to blow out of. Down here you do have your traction control and your tow and haul mode. And then over here you do have a plug-in there and a USB plug-in right there. This guy can open up, and you got a bit of additional storage right in there. In the center here, you do have 3 cup holders, as well as your armrest that does double as a storage container. So you got a couple coin holders here, and then you got a USB over here, and an aux cord, and a 12-volt plug-in there as well. Now you can lift this guy up, and it has another seat underneath it, so it can seat 6 people all together, which is lots and lots of room. Tons of people can fit in here. You also got your glove box in here with your owner's manual, which is always very nice to have right there. Up top here, you do have some lights, just like that. Okay, let's jump on in the back here. So it is a quad cab, so you got lots of room back here. You have control over their own windows and a little bit of storage here. And they do have leg room back here. It is very soft and squishy as well, very comfortable. If you need a little bit of extra room, you can lift this guy up, and you got some right under there. You can put whatever you might need to in there, as well as you do have your cup holder right there. You can fold it back down, and no one's the wiser. And there you got your 5.7 liter V8 Hemi right there. And it also does come with an engine block heater in here, and it all looks very nice. That does it for my walk around video of the 2013 Ram 1500. If you guys want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.